Hi there, welcome back. You're still watching Market Cafe on ET Now. Now let's shift focus back to the oil markets where Singapore GRMs have declined from $6.9 per barrel to 4.5. How will this impact the financials of Indian oil and gas entities? Let's take it across to Somit for more details on this. Somit, good morning. Take it away.
What we have seen overnight is a sharp drop in the Singapore gross refining margin, which is the Asian benchmark for refining margin, which also is kind of applicable for Indian oil refiners like Indian Oil Corporation, BPCL, HPCL, MRPL, Chennai Petro, and for that matter, Reliance Industries as well. So from $6.9 per barrel, the margins have now come down to $4.5 per barrel, and the margins now are at its lowest level since November 27, 2023. Now, from the 2024 peak of around $9.9 per barrel that we had seen in the month of Feb, Singapore gross refining margins are on a downward trajectory and have nearly halved from these levels. Now, we do not know the exact reason behind this drop, but the potential reason could be the increasing US refinery utilization rates that we have been seeing. Apart from that, analysts are also expecting a sharp drop might have come in when it comes to gasoline margins specifically, because petrol or gasoline margins account for nearly 42% of the weightage when it comes to Singapore gross refining margin. So what would be the impact of this on the Indian oil refiners? Now, generally, if you see a $1 per barrel drop in the Singapore gross refining margin lowers MRPL's annual EBITDA by nearly 1,000 crore rupees. For Chennai Petro, it lowers that EPS by around 30%. For Indian Oil Corporation, BPCL and HPCL, it decreases their earnings potential by nearly 14 to 16%. And for Reliance Industries, if you see the consolidated impact on their EPS is around 4 to 5%. But do remember, the Singapore gross refining margins now need to trade around these levels for this impact to play out for this oil refiners. If they bounce back tomorrow, then there won't be much of an impact for the oil refiners going forward.
Absolutely. Thanks, Somit, for that roundup coming in. But the FMCG